Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my shortbread cookie recipe, dipping that in darkened milk chocolate. You want to go ahead and get that chocolate melted in a double boiler for a glossy finish. But the most important step is chilling that dough, wrapping it in plastic wrap to get those crisp round edges. Let's get started. For the recipe, I will link everything in the description box below, including the full recipe on the blog. First, start by creaming the butter very well, and then adding the sugar gradually to cream that. You want to let that go for about 2 minutes to get the air incorporated into the butter and the sugar. Get a fluffy cookie. Add your almond extract, just a half a teaspoon for that. A little goes a long way. And vanilla extract, a full teaspoon for that. Next, you want to add flour in batches and let the mixer do its job. Here we're using a paddle attachment for a stand mixer. Make sure to go ahead and scrape the bowl throughout this process. And then your dough comes together, pull it out, put it onto a floured surface, and here's a very important step. What you want to do is have the plastic wrap on top and on the bottom of the dough to roll it out and then chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That's what maintains that crisp cutout. Any cookie cutter shape will work. The crisp edges. And then I like to bake it. Before I bake it, I sprinkle it with some sugar. That's optional, but I bake it into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes and let them cool completely over a double boiler in simmering water. Darkened milk chocolate goes in until you have a glossy finish. Instead of dipping the cookie into the chocolate, I like to take a little bit and dip the edges, kind of shaping it as I go along. Of course, take your time with this step. I like to add a little ground pistachios for my toppings, some crystallized sugar. You could add candy cane. You could do any variety of options, and the kids can help with this. This is a family fun activity for this time of year in the holidays, and that's what it's all about. That's the reason we're making all of this, is to bring joy and spread cheer. So I hope that you've enjoyed my shortbread cookie recipe. Let me know how it comes out in the comments below, and I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now. Thanks.